Yeah, I forget to say Chipotle. So I'm gonna use the $80 and I'm gonna buy Starbucks and Chipotle and maybe Chick-fil-A as well. Yeah. We just fall in love, you and I about to fall in love. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it is Memorial Weekend and I am at home doing absolutely nothing, just looking and feeling like a hot mess. So today I decided to do a DIY maintenance type of vlog. So I'm going to install one of my wig, do my nails, and also do my pedicure. But before I do all of that, guys, the time is so hot, so I'm gonna make some mango smoothies, so stay tuned. And I just made a smoothie, guys. The time is so hot. All right, guys, so I'm going to start with the pedicure first. My toes are looking really bad. So I'm going to add some baking soda to my water. I'm also going to add some moisturizing bath and body oil for moisture. Just a little. And this is what I'm going to use to scrub my feet. Also, guys, I'm going to add some condition to the water. And I have this lavender foot soak that I'm going to use in it as well. So guys, I have everything. I'm all prepared. So these are like crystal like. So I'm gonna use my judgment and I'm gonna add just a tablespoon. All right, that should be it. Guys, I'm going to remove these gel polish from my toes first. Alright guys, so now I'm going to soak my feet in the water. I'm going to turn it on. And I'm going to put on the vibration on it. Timer. So it's gonna run for, I think it's 15 minutes. The vibration is gonna run for. So far it's good, I'm liking it. You can find it on my Amazon storefront. If you want to try out one of these basin, guys, the link for it, it's in my description. So you can go to my description and find my Amazon storefront link and it's there. Alright guys, I'm gonna use some of this scrub to rub my feet. So guys, I'm done soaking and scrubbing, so now I'm going to clip and clean. Alright guys, so my pedicure is done. I'm going to braid my hair now to install my wig. Alright, so I'm going to braid my hair. It is staying really bad, but I'm going to braid my hair so I can install my wig. Guys, if I could do my lashes I would, but I recently had an eye surgery, so no lash extension for me, no lash makeup, anything like that. So I'm gonna have to sit that one out for now. Alright, so I'm gonna do some quick braids. Alright guys, I'm finally done braiding my hair. I'm gonna put on a wig cap. And these are the HD wig caps. Alright guys, so I'm gonna look for my wig and then I'm gonna come back and install. Alright guys, so the wig that I wanted to install, I had to wash it, so it's now drying. So I'm gonna do my nails first. I have this press on. The first thing, I'm going to push back the cuticle bed. Push back your nail bed, then file your nail to remove any shyness from the nail. And then you're going to also clean your nail with some alcohol. These are just plastic, but I'm not gonna put them on. Alright, I think this is it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some glue on the tips, and I'm also gonna put the glue on my nail bed, on my nail as well. I'm gonna wait for it to dry a little. Put it on. Press and hold. Hold and press. So it's called press on for a reason. So you have to press it on. So you hold and you press, and you want to make sure that there's no air underneath the nail. That will cause your nail to lift quickly. So guys, I'm not going to do all of these on camera, so I'm just showing you how I do it, and then I'm going to do the rest off camera. Alright, so this is it. This is how they are looking. So I just saved myself like maybe $80, because if I had gone to my nail tech, she would have charged for the length, charged for the design as well, even though they're not tall, but yes, they would charge for length. So this would run me like $80. So I saved myself $80, so I'm gonna buy Starbucks. All right guys, this is it. So now I'm going to do my hair. Yeah, I forget to say Chipotle. So I'm gonna use the $80 and I'm gonna buy Starbucks and Chipotle and maybe Chick-fil-A as well. Yeah. So it is time for me to install this wig. The cap is so big. I think I've worn this wig maybe 2 or 3 times the most, but I'm just going to install it for the weekend. Goes bun. So I'm only going to put 2 layers. Alright guys, so now it is clear, so I'm going to pull down the lace. I'm going to put the lace over it, and then I'm going to cut off the excess lace. Alright guys, I'm going to band it down. I'm going to leave it and I'm going to cook. Then when it's dry, I will come back and style it. Alright guys, I have to take this off. My ears, oh my god. No, my ears on. Oh my god, my ears on fire. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the excess lace. So I'm gonna put just a little glue under here. Alright guys, look at that. I'm going to put my band around it again, and when it's dry then I'm going to go in with some melting spray. Guys, look at this. This is how I bought the hair. Some of these wig sellers, they are so wicked. I bought the hair and I cannot do any style because in the middle of it, in the middle of the hair is so short. Like, I'm gonna try parting it to this side. Let's see. Guys, I'm gonna style it off camera and be back. BRB. Alright guys, so you've seen my maintenance vlog, my hair installation, my press-on nails, and my pedicure. So y'all rate me in the comment section and let me know how I did. So this is the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet for more videos. Bye. Peace out.